Well, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Prilia Putri. By name 214-101-060-040. Here, I would like to explain about pronoun. Pronoun is a word that functions to replace nouns. For the example is, Ricard is my friend. He is handsome. In order not to repeat the word Ricard, replaced by the word he. So, he is the pronoun. Pronoun is seen from its position in a sentence that is subject, object, and possessive. In English, pronouns are usually divided into 8 types. For the first is personal pronoun, the second is demonstrative pronoun, the third is indefinite pronoun, the fourth is integrative pronoun, the fifth is reflexive pronoun, the sixth is reciprocal pronoun, the seventh is relative pronoun, and the last is possessive pronoun. Okay, going to the first explanation is about personal pronoun. Personal pronoun is the pronoun of the person indicating the speaker or the first person, the interlocutor or the second person, and what is talked about or the third person. Personal pronoun can be functioned as the first is nominative subject, a subject in a sentence. For the example is I study English. And second is objective or accusative as object in a sentence. For the example is she brings me cup of coffee. Go on to the second explanation is about demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun adalah kata ganti penunjuk by the consisting of singular, plural, the former, the latter, this, that, this, those. Okay, here the former by the meaning the first of two trees, or called as formally, and the latter by the meaning is the second of two trees, or called as then and. Here are the examples. For the first is, this is a book and that is your shoe. So it is the examples about this and that. And for the second is, Karim and Nurdin will go to America. The former is my friend and the latter is my cousin. So the former is Karim and the latter is Nurdin. It is for the example of the former and the latter. Go on to the next is about indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun adalah kata ganti yang tidak tertentu. They have no antecedents or word that precede or revert to, and treat a singular word. There are another and anybody by the meaning yang lain dan siapa saja. For the example is everything is running well. By the meaning segala sesuatu berjalan dengan lancar. And for the next is integrative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun is a question word used to introduce a question, such as who, what, whom, and which. Who is for a human, what for noun, which untuk yang mana, and whom is revert to the word who that change into object, so it is becoming whom. For the example, for who, for the word who is she? And for the word what color is the book? For the next explanation is about reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun is a pronoun that is a reflection of the pronoun itself. If the role is reflexive, then it means that the action of the subject turns to the subject itself. By the example, I helped myself this morning. Saya menolong diriku sendiri. So, it back to the subject itself. And for the next is reciprocal pronoun. Reciprocal pronoun is a pronoun that states a reciprocal relationship between individuals of either two or more than two. These are each other untuk dua orang and one another untuk lebih dari dua orang. By the example, Ali and Rahmat are speaking each other. By the meaning, Ali dan Rahmat sedang berbicara satu sama lain. And for the next is about relative pronoun. Relative pronoun is a word that replaces the previously mentioned subject and serves as a connecting between nouns and captions. Relative pronouns are who, whom, whose, that, and which. And for the last explanation is about possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun is a pronoun that indicates ownership or possession. These are which is followed by the noun and which is not followed by the noun. For the example of which followed by the noun is here is my book, and for the example which is not followed by the noun is this book is mine. Okay, maybe that's all what I can explain about pronoun. Thanks for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.